Settings, Credits. On this tab, you can configure the credits system for your stream. The first list contains events that can be recorded during the stream and saved in the credits system. The second list contains groups of users who sent messages in the chat. You can select which groups will be saved in the credits system. The last list contains events for creating leaderboards. All information is stored in the credits cache file inside the data folder. It's a simple JSON file. You can find the data structure in the documentation for Streamer.Bot servers. The easiest way is through the HTTP server using the getCredits endpoint. By calling the testCredits endpoint, you can get a sample of generated data. If you start the Streamer.Bot HTTP server and call the testCredits endpoint, you will receive a sample of the generated data. After reset, determine the number of hours Streamer.Bot should be closed before it resets the data stored in the credits system. The reset button forcibly resets this data. This system simply collects the information you select. How to display it on stream is entirely up to you.